Hi, I'm Adam Mattis from Sterling Machinery Exchange here in South El Monte, California, which is 20 minutes east of Los Angeles, California. We have over 2,000 new and used machine tools in stock, such as shears, press brakes, iron workers, saws, grinders, lathes, mills, and much more. Today we're going to show you a nice 6-foot, 60-ton, single-axis CNC Wysong press brake. Has a very simple control to use. It's an Automec CNC 99. You see the back gauge back there. This also has light curtains and foot pedal and a palm control. So we'll go ahead and turn the machine on. And we have it right now set up in a dual mode. First we're going to use the palm controls for the high speed, and we're going to use the foot pedal to form. Go ahead and show you that. Here's the high speed. Use the foot pedal for forming. Now we programmed 4 different options in here for the back gauge. After each cycle, the back gauge will automatically move to the next position, and we've set everything up to run with the palm control station here. So as you see, you got your first high speed into your low speed for forming, and the back gauge advances to the next position. We'll continue to do this. You can see on the back gauge controller, that was the second step. We moved to 8.9 inches. And there's the last step down to 22 inches. After that program's done, it'll start back to the first position, and you can complete the cycle. This machine is very easy to run, very easy to program. You program your back gauge there. You have your side limit switches here for your depth stop. Of course, all the light curtains, everything works. The machine's fully functional and ready to go. Please give us a call, 626-444-0311, or check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you. Do you have surplus equipment for sale? From one machine to entire shops, Sterling Machinery buys all types of equipment. Please contact us today. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon. To view more helpful videos along with how-to videos and machinery for sale, please visit www.machinerytube.com, the web's premier machinery video site.